problem we have given A is equal to 40 Newton and direction is given east. Suppose this is east, this is west, this is north and south. So here theta will be equal to 0 degree. Force B is equal to 50 Newton. So we can say direction is north. So we can see this angle is 90 degrees. So theta B will be equal to 90 degree. This is theta A. C is given 70 Newton and the direction is given 40 degrees south of west. South of west, like in this direction. So theta C will be equal to 180 plus 40, 220 degree. D is given 90 Newton, direction 20 degree east of south.